Hello there. How is it going? I hope you're feeling well. I hope that you're not too tired, because we're going to do something that requires great concentration skills. We're going to do a tarot reading. Have you had your cards read before? Well, that's no problem. If you haven't, it doesn't make a difference. I'm going to use these gypsy cards first to inquire about the contents of your mind. These cards are going to give me some information about the thing that you really need to know about, the thing that you came here for. Why are you here? Why have you visited me? What is it that you really need to hear about today? That's what we're going to find out. And then I'm going to use my tarot cards to give you the actual messages. But for now, let's see what the topic is. And the topic is the lover. So, you're here to learn more about someone that you love, someone that you have your eye on, perhaps a crush, perhaps someone that means a lot to you. So, this reading is going to help you find out more about your lover, what they are thinking, what they are concerned with, and how you can help them in their life's journey. Because that's what lovers do, really. We sometimes forget it. In the storm of romantic love, we lose sight of what is really important. But it's clear. Lovers help each other out. So, how can you help your lover? That's one of the most important questions here. And when you are in a situation of unrequited love, when your lover, someone that you love, does not want to reciprocate, perhaps they don't even know that you have tender feelings for them, that's a difficult situation, and that can lead to heartbreak very easily. So I recommend that you stay out of those types of situations. Of course, it's easier said than done, but who's going to tell you if not me? It's a pretty windy night tonight, and so every now and then you can hear the wind outside. But try to focus your mind on the messages that I'm about to give you. Try not to get caught up in any external distractions. The tarot cards are going to help you see clearly. We have a jumping card, the Ten of Swords. So I am seeing that there's some heartbreak going on already. Ten of Swords is a card of mental dead ends. It's when your mind becomes too much to handle, when the darkness draws you in. So I can tell that you've been struggling with this. Lots of problems in this area. Lots of pain and suffering. Let's find out how you can alleviate your own pain while at the same time helping your lover. And even if you are in a situation of unrequited love, perhaps a situation where your loved one does not respond to you or does not acknowledge your existence, even in that situation you can send love their way. So we're going to do that. And we're going to release you from the pain. So that's the purpose of this reading. And our next card is going to give you an idea on how you can give your person love and how you can alleviate your pain. Are you comfortable? I hope you are. The worst is over. You have arrived to this reading, and things are going to change from now on. I'm going to set you free. So, how can you send love to your lover? And that's the World, the beautiful card, Major Arcana card of the World. There's a song I recently heard. The lyrics were not very flattering to the person they were about, but there was a line in there which was something along the lines of, "You belong to the world now. You don't belong to me anymore. You belong to the world." And I thought that was really beautiful. It was a very sort of bitter and it's essentially a breakup song, I assume, or something about disappointment in love. But it's that action of releasing the other person to the world that's missing here in your case. This is the missing link, the last piece of the puzzle that is going to help you get better and help the other person get better as well. And we have the Hanged Man as the remedy to your heartache. And it all makes sense. It all makes sense. Perfect sense. The Ten of Swords is telling me the tale of someone, of you, being tortured by your own thoughts of inadequacy, of low self-esteem, of defeat and failure, feeling like your own sense of self-worth is somehow tied up in the other person, whoever they may be, and whatever your relationship with them may be. I'm seeing this painful attachment, this assignment of confidence and self-worth to the quality and the outcome of this relationship. This is where you went wrong, but that's no problem. We can fix it, so don't worry. The world. The world. This cycle. This circle. This is the world. This is your world. Complete. Nothing is missing. No one is missing from it. The best way to love this person is to let them go. Imagine them melting into the warm embrace of the universe. Sometimes in love relationships, the dream is too big. Sometimes you want to create a world of your own. A world composed of two people. A world of its own. It is this world that is failing. But you are not failing. But you are not failing. And the actual, real world is still here for you to rely upon. Loving this person means acknowledging the existence of the world independently of your drama. Even as we speak and as you're breathing in and breathing out, even as you're still spinning inside this nightmarish story, this narrative, as we speak, as things are unfolding in your life, there's a bigger existence outside of you. Perhaps independent is not the right way to put it, but it's something that you have forgotten about. It's the world of animals and people and stars. There's an existence so complex, so vivacious, that it really is a miracle that you have forgotten about it. So, waking up from this dream, this bad dream that another person can define you, that another person can be your world when there is already a world. You're waking up from it and accepting the situation, relaxing into it with the Hanged Man is how you get rid of the pain. This is how the pain ends. There's no more pain. There's only acceptance of the inevitable. There's no going back. And that's fine. It's the best thing that could happen to you. You can love the world so intensely and with so much intention. You can love the entire world as much as you've loved another person. And loving the world is where it's at. Loving the world is your duty. Loving the world is the only source of beauty. Good luck to you.